So next topic is line integrals. Line integrals is an important topic. This involve integration also. First, let f of x, y, z be any linear density function of a thin wire in the form of a curve C. Then mass m of the wire is given by m is equal to integral over c f of x, y, z ds, where ds is the arc length of the wire. If f of x, y, z is the linear density function of a wire, then mass m is given by integral over c f of x, y, z ds. This representation is also known as the line integral of the function f of x, y, z along the curve C, where ds is the arc length of the wire. So evaluate this integral, we have to find the ds. So to evaluate ds, consider the equation of the curve is r of t, it is x of ti, that is xi plus yj plus zk. Then what is ds? ds is the norm of r dash of t dt. And what is r dash? R dash is x dash y dash z dash, and its norm is square root of x dash square plus y dash square plus z dash square. Okay, and the derivative. So this is ds. For example, for this question, evaluate the line integral over c 1 plus x xy square ds, where c is the curve ti plus 2tj, t varies from 0 to 1. So here r of t is given that ti plus 2tj. So always r is xi plus yj, so x is t and y is 2t. Then t varies from 0 to 1. And what is r dash? Its derivative is, derivative of t is 1, derivative of 2t is 2. So it is I plus 2j. And what is its norm? Norm is square root of 1 square plus 2 square, that is 1 plus 4, that is root 5. So its norm is root 5. So integral over c 1 plus xy square ds is integral from, now the variable is t, all the variables are written in terms of t. So the limit of t is 0 to 1. So integral from 0 to 1, 1 plus, we have to substitute in the place of x and y. What is x? X is t. What is y? Y is 2t. So 1 plus t into y square, that is 2t the whole square, that is 4t square, into ds. ds is root 5 dt. ds is norm of r dash of t dt. So it is root 5 dt. So it is root 5 into integral from 0 to 1, 1 plus simplifying 4t cube dt. Root 5 is a constant, so we can take it out. Root 5 into integral of 1 is t, integral of 4t cube is 4 into t raised to 4 by 4. 0 to 1 kodutha 2 root 5 kittum. That is the answer. Next one, evaluate integral over c xy plus z cube ds from 1 0 0 to minus 1 0 pi along the helix, that is x is equal to cos t, y is equal to sin t, and z is equal to t. T varies from 0 to pi. So here also we have to evaluate this integral and with respect to ds. So what is ds? ds is norm of r dash of t dt. And what is r? Vector r is xi plus yj plus zk. X is cos t. So cos t I plus sin t j plus tk. And t varies from 0 to pi. If t, limit of t is not given, there is no problem because t is equal to z. So the limit of t is equal to limit of z. And what is the limit of z? Because 2 points are given, 1 0 0 to minus 1 0 pi. അപ്പോൾ z limit എന്തായിരിക്കും? Z component is 0, here z component is pi. So z varies from 0 to pi. Okay. Here it is given, so no problem. So r dash, what is r dash? Its derivative. Cos t derivative minus sin t derivative cos t, t derivative 1. So its norm is square root of sin square t plus cos square t plus 1. It is root 2. So now we have to substitute in this integral xy plus z cube. X into y plus z cube. Then ds is root 2. So the answer integral becomes integral from 0 to pi cos t sin t plus t cube root 2 dt. It is root 2 into integral from 0 to pi cos t sin t. It is sin 2t by 2. Sin 2t is 2 cos t sin 2 sin t cos t. So it is sin 2t by 2 plus t cube. And we can integrate now. Sin 2t in integral minus cos 2t by 2. So the answer is root 2 by 4 pi raised to 4. Simplify cheyam. Next one. Suppose that a semicircular wire has equation y is equal to square root of 25 minus y x square, and its mass density function is delta of xy is 15 minus y. Find the mass of the wire. What is the formula to find the mass? It is integral over c f of xy because there is no term containing z. So f of xy ds. And function of xy is, here the equation is y is equal to root of 25 minus x square. And the function of xy, that means the density function. And here the mass density function is 15 minus y. So 15 minus y ds. Next we have to evaluate this ds. For that, the curve is a semicircle. Semicircular formula is curve. Then arrange y square is equal to 25 minus x square, or x square plus y square is equal to 25. That's a circle. The circle is a semicircle. And what is its equation? Here there are two variables x and y. We can't evaluate this line integral in two variables. So we have to convert it into a single variable. For a variable to convert it, we can use the parametric equation. That is x square plus y square is equal to 25 satisfy x and y. So x is trigonometric, x is equal to 5 cos t, because 25 is the square of 5. So 5 cos theta, and y is 5 sin theta, or t. The variable only use cheyam. And theta varies from, because it is a semicircle, 0 to pi. 0 to pi avashyala 0 to pi. And what is ds? ds is norm of r dash of t dt. And what is r? Vector r is xi plus yj. So 5 cos theta I plus 5 sin theta j. And what is r dash? Then r dash is its derivative. Then norm is square root of 25 sin square theta plus 25 cos square theta 5 because sin square plus cos square is 1. And substitute 0 to pi 15 minus 5 sin theta into 5 d theta. Now we can integrate with respect to theta. Answer is 75 pi minus 15. Okay. Next one, evaluate integral over c 3xy dy, where c is the line joining 0, 0 and 1, 2. So here there is no r of t or curve in the equation, but it is given that the curve is a straight line joining 0, 0 and 1, 2. So we have to find the equation of this line joining. What is the equation of line joining 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2? It is y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. So y minus 0 by 2 minus 0, because x1, y1 is 0, 0, x2, y2, 1, 2. Substitute you will be getting y by 2 is equal to x, or y is equal to x. So this is the equation, y is equal to x. So what is dy? Because here there is no term of containing t. So we can we have to evaluate this integral over c 3xy dy. So all the variables are in terms of y. With respect to y integrate x ne namukku maattiya madiyallo. So oru variable otte convert cheytha madi. If y is 2x, what is dy? dy is 2 dx. So dy can be converted to dx, or x can be converted to y. Anyway you can write. So what is the limit for x? X varies from x coordinate 0 to 1. So here we are converting all the variables in x. So integral from 0 to 1, 3x into y. Y is 2x, dy is 2 dx. So now all the variables are in terms of x. So integrate with respect to x and put the limit for x from 0 to 1. So it is 12, integral 0 to 1 x square dx, it is 12 by 3, that is 4. So answer is 4. Next one, evaluate integral over c 2xy dx plus x square plus y square dy. Along a circular arc, x is equal to cos t, y is equal to sin t. T varies from 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 means circle in the first quadrant matram. Okay. So x is cos t, y is sin t. Integral is integral over c 2xy dx plus x square plus y square dy. So dx and dy under, we can convert all the variables into a single variable. Since the equation is in terms of t, x is cos t, what is dx? dx is sin t dt, and what y is sin t, so dy is cos t dt. Substitute integral from 0 to